Real estate activity is seasonal, right? Well, just like almost everything else during 2020, things are different this year. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. During a normal year, home sales would slow at the end of summer. But a look at the big picture shows home sales increasing along the 880 corridor and in West and Central Contra Costa counties. And the pace of sales is accelerating too. After 4 consecutive months of increasing days on market, during August, it actually dropped to just 20 days. Let's see how seasonal real estate is, starting with the 880 corridor. The number of homes for sale has increased consistently from month to month going back to May, but even with this trend, there are still fewer homes in the market compared with last August. Castro Valley only 14, Fremont, Hayward, Newark all down more than 50%. Union City with 13 for sale, that's down almost 80%. Sales prices. Fewer choices, higher prices. 5 communities in the 1 million and up range. Alameda, Albany, down 13%, but still north of a million. Berkeley, Fremont, and Union City up 30% to 1.18. Homes sold. Mostly down or little change compared with last August. Albany was 7 sold, down 46%. Hayward and Newark both down 31%. San Leandro down 19%. And Union City 23 sold, down 49%. Now we're in West Contra Costa County, where inventory actually peaked in July. But compared to last August, fewer homes for sale. El Cerrito and Hercules just 14 for sale. Richmond 73 on the market, down 18%. Sales prices. El Cerrito tops 1 million. El Sobrante and Hercules both up 25%. Pinole and Richmond in the 600s, and San Pablo dropped slightly to 508. Homes sold. Fewer homes on the market, fewer sales. Hercules with 19 sold, a 27% drop. Next up, Central Contra Costa County, where sales have stayed strong all summer. Homes for sale. Down compared with last August. Concord, 60 on the market, down 41%. Walnut Creek is the exception, with 63 for sale, up 24%. Sales prices. Buyers want Central Cocoa. Martinez, 770, up 17%. Pleasant Hill, 901, up 15%. Walnut Creek, 1.258, up 8%. Homes sold, up everywhere. Concord, 125 sold, up 26%. La Miranda is another area with strong sales starting in May. Homes for sale. Compared with last August, fewer choices. Only 8 homes on the market in Moraga, down 33%. Sales prices, strong. Lafayette up 19 and Moraga up 18%. Orinda, 1.76, up 26%. Homes sold, way up in Lafayette. 51 sold, up 89% compared with last August. We'll move into the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Dublin, 19 on the market, down 68%. Livermore and Pleasant, down 50 and 59%. San Ramon, 29 for sale, down 72%. Sales prices, supply and demand. Prices up. Danville, 1.495, up 11%. Livermore, 921, up 10%. San Ramon, 1.265, up 17%. Homes sold, up from last August. Danville, 123 sold, up 84%. Pleasanton, 71. San Ramon, 75 sold, up 15 and 14%. Finally, we'll wrap up in the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Antioch, 54, down 64%. Brentwood, 83, down 58%. Oakley, 19 for sale, down 77%. Sales prices, up everywhere. Brentwood, 697. Pittsburgh, 499, both up 13%. Homes sold, mixed compared with last August. Antioch, Oakley, and Pittsburgh with fewer sales. Brentwood and Discovery Bay up 12 and 45%. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next month.